Sheriff's Department! I got one with a knife. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! I got one with a knife. Let me see your hands! Hey, let me see your hands! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Put the knife down now! Put it down! Let me see your hands! Put it down now!
He shot me!
Get over here! Put it down on the ground now! Put it down now!
Are you okay, Mommy? Are you okay?
One at gunpoint with a knife. Put it down! Put the knife down!
Put the knife down.
What's wrong with you?
Is she bleeding?
She's bleeding. You gotta put the knife
Put the
down!
fucking knife down.
Please.
Put it down!
Put the knife down.
Put it down now! Stage medical aid. Put the knife down!
Put the knife down.
I've been stabbed.
Put the knife down!
Don't let him go to the exit.
No.
Put the knife down. Drop it.
Put it down! Put it down! This doesn't need to happen, man. This doesn't need to happen. Just put it down.
Put the knife
Put the
down.
knife down. Put the knife down. Just put the knife down, man. Put the knife.
Put the knife down.
Put it down. Put it down. Do not take another step. Put it down. Put it down.
Don't stand up.
Put it down. It's not needed. We don't need to do this. Just put the knife down, dude. We can get through this. Just put it down. Just put it down.
Just drop it, man. Just drop it.
Just put it down now. We could get through this, man. Stay down, ma'am. Stay down.
Down.
Stay down. Ma'am, stay down on the ground.
Drop the knife.
Put the knife down.
Put the knife down, man.
Do not take another step. Put the knife down. We can make it through this. Don't do this.
Shoot it, bro.
Put the knife down.
Shoot it.
Do not take another step.
Just put the knife down. We can talk about this. Put it down.
Put it down. We got to get medical aid to this lady. Put the knife down, okay?
Pull the trigger, bro.
No, we can't do that. It's not worth it.
Why not?
It's not, man. We can get through this. We can get through this, man. Don't do this. No, it's not worth it. Put it down. It doesn't need to go this route, man. It doesn't need to happen this way, man. There's no need for it. We could get through this. Come on, man. Put the knife down.
I have 3 kids in the house.
We're trying to help.
Put it down.
Put down the knife.
Just put it down, man. We could do this. Don't do this. Come on. You got kids, right? You got kids? Do you have a kid? Say yes or no, man. Watch that. Watch that exit. All right, don't do this to your kids, man. Don't do this. We can get through this. Just don't take another step, man. Okay? Look.
Just do it. I'm already in too deep.
No, it's okay.
Talk about this, man.
We're gonna get through this.
Down, man.
We're gonna get through this. It's okay. It's okay. Put the knife down for your kids. Do this for your kids, please. Okay? We could get through this. No. No, we can get through
Put it
this.
down. You got kids, right?
We can get through this.
Let's go put it down for your kids, man.
For your kids. For your kids.
I'm sorry. You're not sorry for nothing, man. Put it down.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Mom. Just put it down.
He's stabbing.
I'm sorry,
I want to
Mom.
go down.
What's your name?
It's for your kids.
Come on, man. Dude,
No, he's stabbing. He's stabbing the doctor here.
just hold it right now, man.
Put the knife down.
We don't need to do this. We don't need to do this. We don't. No, you're not in too deep. We can get through this. Don't do this to your kids. Do not do this to your kids. They don't need to see this. They don't need to do this, okay? Put it down. Put it down. Put the knife down now.
Come on, man. We don't want to do anything.
We don't want to do this.
It is, bro. This is.
No.
Down, man. Come on.
Put it down.
Drop it, man. Drop the knife.
It's hard, man.
Put the knife down.
Do not take another step.
A different way. You can do this a different way.
This is, man.
Drop the knife.
I'm gonna go back. Get down, ma'am. Get down, lady.
Drop the knife.
Get down. Don't do this, dude. Don't do this to me.
Drop the knife.
Some cell phone plans don't give you enough data. More is music to the ears. Get more of a good
Don't do this to me.
Drop the knife, man.
Don't do this.
Now get inside that door, please.
Get inside. Get out the door, ma'am. Get outside.
Drop it, man.
no contract. All in America's large homes.
I can't go any further.
I can't go in.